Ted's Woodworking Plans, Ted's Woodworking, 16,000 Woodworking Plans, Review. If you're looking for a way to turn your passion for crafts into something tangible and rewarding, then Ted's Woodworking Plans are definitely for you. As a 25-year-old who is completely immersed in this world of woodworking projects, I can't help but express how incredible it is to have access to such a vast collection of ideas and plans. Imagine having more than 16,000 woodworking project plans at your disposal. From simple furniture to intricate works of art, it's like having an ocean of creativity in front of you, just waiting to be explored. The benefits are countless, from the satisfaction of building something with your own hands to saving money by creating your own furniture instead of buying it ready-made. What impressed me most was the variety of projects available. It doesn't matter if you are a complete beginner or a master at woodworking. There is something for everyone. The plans are detailed and easy to follow, making the construction process smooth and rewarding. Plus, the community around Ted's Woodworking Plans is amazing. It's inspiring to see other people sharing their projects and offering helpful advice and tips. It's like being part of a big family of woodworking enthusiasts, all working together to achieve their goals. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your creativity and dive headfirst into the world of woodworking, then don't hesitate to take advantage of this special promotion. Click the link below the video and start your creative journey today. Let's create something amazing together.